There have been speculations that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Vice President Shettima are not getting along, but top members of their political parties, the All Progressive Congress (APC), says that is not true. One of them is Ismail Ahmed. He used to be on the APC's board of trustees. He said the news about a fight between Tinubu and Shettima is just a rumor and has no truth in it. Speaking on Channels Television on Tuesday, 17th of June 2025, Ahmed said, "It's not true. I know very well that there is trust between President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Vice President Shettima." He also said that no one has talked about replacing Shettima in the next election in 2027. This makes Ahmed the second person to say there is no problem between the two leaders. The first was Hakeem Baba Ahmed, who used to work in the presidency as special advisor. He also said he never saw any fight between the president and his vice.
I knew that this was going to be an issue. We're trying to create an issue where there is none. None exists. Let us remember what happened in 2023. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu basically unilaterally picked Vice President Shettima as his running mate. I can tell you for a fact, there were a lot of governors that were taken by surprise when that happened. He basically unilaterally picked Vice President Shettima as his running mate. And everybody fell in line. And we went to campaign. And God willing, we won. Now, if you ask me, we already have a president and a vice president, a settled issue. Don't try to fix something that is not broken. What's wrong with it? You know, their chemistry is good. They are governing together. Now, the moment you start creating a melodrama around an endorsement of a president, a sitting president that automatically has that ticket as his beck and call, as far as this party is concerned, I keep repeating that. We have a culture in this party. In case some people who just joined this party recently don't know, we have a culture. A sitting president gets a right of first refusal. And if that is the case, because that is the case, we didn't need to start jumping up and down trying to say this. We should have just focused on governance, the policies of the government, promoting the president outside the party.
Some people had claimed that the Vice President Shettima was pushed aside by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's group, but both Ahmed and Baba Ahmed says those claims are not true. So far, 3 people close to the presidency have said there is no fight between Tinubu and Shettima. They all agree that the two leaders are still working together peacefully. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.